Today, we're gonna make some balls. I figured that's the only proper way to start this year off right. These balls are great for meal prep and have the macros to back that up, so let's just jump right into them. Start with 1 pound of a lean ground protein. This can be turkey, chicken, beef, and so on. Today I'm using chicken. Next, add in the rest of your ingredients, starting with 1 cup of a fat-free or reduced fat pizza cheese, half a cup grated Parmesan cheese, half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, or something like this seasoning, which is seriously delicious and also highly addictive. I'm warning you. I'll link it below. A little salt, half a cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of cooked brown rice, 1 large egg, 1 large egg white, and 4 tablespoons of a tomato paste. Go ahead and mix everything together. A hand mixer will make this way easier for you. Last, take out a baking pan, line it with some foil or parchment paper to make cleanup easier, and shape your balls however big you want them. Repeat and then throw them in the oven on 350 for around 25 to 30 minutes, depending on how big your balls are.